so let's go ahead and get into today's video. I am reviewing this unit from Alipearl. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into this with what we got in our package. They sent over a few goodies so that way that can help with our wig application, and also some lashes that were gifted, and then a band to make sure your lace is melted. Let's quickly take a look at this unit. I did receive a 13x4 HD lace. This is 26 inches. This is very full, so it's 200% density, which I truly appreciate. And it does come with 3 combs, 2 on each side, as well as 1 at the nape of the neck. All right, so we're gonna get straight into the application, you guys. I've done this several times, but I am using my bedhead spray. I will leave everything down below for you guys. I'm trying to get better. My older videos, you may not find any clickable links, but I know the newer ones, I am adding it. You can always click the Amazon link also, and I will have a lot of my hair products and categorized products in general there specifically, just in case I do miss something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly get this applied. And then next we're just gonna go ahead and get into my baby hairs. Now this one is moving quite fast because I feel like it's self-explanatory, and I do this quite often. Now sometimes the placement of my baby hairs may change, and then some days I honestly just feel like I need really sparse and light ones, and it definitely depends on the unit in particular that I'm working with. I'll have the link down below, as well as any coupon codes that you guys would need to purchase. That way, you know, save your little coins. But I did want to mention that Alipearl, they do have a new app now that it's out. You can shop on the app and enjoy an extra 12% off, you guys. So for new registered users, you also get an extra 300 points for a gift card, which is worth $5. The gift card and discount can be used together as well to save you some extra coins. So definitely shop on the Alipearl app, save you some money, girl.
always on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And there's a whole lot of love ain't trying to waste it, like we be running the mile and never make it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think there's some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip, that's the type of love, baby. Drip, 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 I know you, it's big enough, baby. Drip, drip, it's big enough, baby. Drip, drip, I know you're crazy, I know you.
Alright, you guys, I just want to quickly come and give you guys my final thoughts on the hair. I kind of sped through the styling process. I just wanted to get straight to the pudding, like get straight to it. You guys, this hair is gorgeous, and I've worked with Alipearl a lot of times to know their hair is super consistent. I've had several units from them, and in length. I want to say I've had a longer unit than this. This is a 26-inch, but you guys, it's giving every bit of 28, possibly 30. It goes to, I'm sitting down and it goes to my thigh. Like it goes to my thigh, like it's past my thigh. Love the hair quality, amazing, top tier. The lays is HD, super easy to lay. You know when you have a company and you can always recognize their product because of the quality, and they are so consistent. So each time I've gotten a unit from them, I've always gotten a full unit. The hair is super full regardless of length. It's not thin, which I really appreciate. I did just add a little bit of layers for the bang, but that's it. I wanted to keep it all long so that way you guys can really see that length in there. And y'all, she is giving. The hair is very soft. Now I did bleach my knots as I do, you guys know, or if you don't know, you're new to my channel, I always process my units prior to, which means I'm just customizing them, deep conditioning. The wig is not too big, but the amount of lace that was available for the frontal was larger. So it stopped probably like right past my ears. So I ended up having to cut it and customize it. And you can do that. That's going to be based off of your head size for any unit. Some wigs you'll notice if you are new to wigs, some wigs are going to be longer, some wigs are going to be shorter. It's just based off of that company. But every time I get a unit from Alipearl, it's the same thing. So I always know what to expect. But I just wanted to let you guys know, to give you guys a heads up when you guys make your purchase, because I know you're gonna get this one. You got to. But like I said, the hair is super soft. It's really nice and full. Had minimal shedding. The only shedding I really had was really because I was cutting into the frontal and plucking it. So as far as the quality, it's amazing. The hair sheen is really nice and natural. I still ended up adding in a little bit of my Frizz Ease just because I just like it, and it just helps everything just lay if I have any flyaways and stuff like that. Ooh, excuse me, if I have any flyaways and stuff. But when I work with longer units, I just like to use my wand curl. It literally takes me all of maybe 10 to 15 minutes to do a whole head. I take chunky pieces. Now with this particular wand, I got this years ago, and I honestly think it's like starting to mess up, so it's a little janky. But it comes with different levels of wands. So I thought I had another wand somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. But that's what I decided to do. We just wanted to keep it really simple, give you like some long beachy-esque type curls. You guys know I'm super obsessed with like that body wave type look in general. And then of course I had to do a side part because it just wouldn't be like right. I love the way the layers look. I'm thinking about adding a little bit of layers right here, but I really like it. I like the way the hair is falling. I'm not going to cut any layers in it for right now. If I do, it'll probably be a little bit down here, but I like the way it looks as it is. So y'all let me know what you guys think. Are we feeling it? Yeah, that is my final thoughts on this hair, you guys. She is definitely giving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Before you leave, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and join this family. Go ahead and be a part of the MCD squad and give it a thumbs up and share if you would like. And I will check you guys in my next video. Later.